Some privacy, please. One often hears about and mentions privacy, many times inappropriately. Privacy legislation has now become part of everyone's daily life, but one has to understand how it applies, not least so as not to make mistakes. If an inheritance is opened and it is discovered that the deceased has signed life insurance policies in favor of someone, the heirs have the right to be informed. In one case, they had been denied because of privacy, and it took the Supreme Court to state that privacy has nothing to do in these circumstances. It is then debated whether personal health data, particularly those in the electronic health record, can also be used by those who have collected them for secondary uses, such as profiling to offer vaccination campaigns or other preventive therapies. Privacy has a lot to do here, but the Garante Privacy thinks differently from the judges in this respect. It is therefore better to be cautious, since in above matter we are dealing with sensitive data. Privacy is then invoked by those who, in social networks, write to acquaintances, also called friends, as those on Facebook, in order to speak freely, sometimes slipping into insults and offenses. Well, mind you, this is not about privacy, especially if one writes in a group. A curse word can even constitute defamation, which is a rather serious offense. This is so if the offended person is not present in the group at the relevant time. The Criminal Supreme Court has in fact recently ruled in this sense. So when we hear someone say that for privacy something can or cannot be done, let us wonder if they really know what they are talking about, so that we can always exercise all our rights.